Oh, I think I thought no. I got it first, man. Nigga Manoj. Oh my goodness. 요지 다른 이마디 그 프로그램 나오다 정말 야구 비트스라 아니 또 단다 남시 백큐도 치료래 남시 백큐도 아니 치료라지 겸념 도고슴사 아티스 겸 아니 게이밍도 야 플레이스테이션도 치 풋볼도 치 오슴사 안 다른 이마디도 독스라 슈기랑 아니 연접퓨 아니 셰드교 아니 UFC 타임 UFC 페고요 당고 리버풀 드로체스라 1-1 딩임도 그래 bowling in the coaches are pay simple lu last year kajilana the Premier League all time record in the point tally tigam Man City ge 100 points ta lu ku tangu de yim top ho team this pyo ra burnley na ga team kyo na Premier League na team kyo me la wata but ne this point rank was home ground ra home soil la draw chaswa performance hagaru test ra ani and lungna sa ma khadina match lungna ani khadina nga lebana di record di lebana sha de ra chime gyong pu chin ji do ya lu tong do ya ta record thanda bodo ende ya bul cher mon jum de ta match sum ha to sum indre Arsenal Chelsea Newcastle ya ta kundu sum do mon jum mas fil ta shema record ha che gaya yaar the India was Premier League 30 years की जन top out ना हो 30 years top चलता है but the record is zero icing on the cake रहा है record is there मैंने खजिन ले वो मारता है बिल्कुल player is anti कल गया ठंडा बुझे यार मुझे जिस में अब सानी किसी तो बोल रहा है जिस क्या ये तो गेम चल मिलते वो Chelsea से जाती आज नया खाना साथ हो सकता Chelsea this is together sir 아니 땅 플랜 체인지 봐 이거 게임 잡아서 아 저거 디스통에 도 있어 아니 아주 나한테 봐 플랜 체인지 그래 스노스 동거방역 스노스 있어 네 뭐가 봐 동거 됐습니다. 계산 레스토랑 델레 칼라야 보래. 이 레스토랑. 근데 레빙 선수 좀 깨라서 돼. कैसे चेंज सा 아니 이제 내가 먹을래서 드래곤 하우스라 드래곤 하우스 시에다가 먹을래서 케어키 다가 먹을래서 렐레 아니 근데 시기 아니 디디 그래서 Dine yorda game jasa. Band dra. Nya ji destination less ra. Tomaso. Yeah, that's a garden. Dina the even the. Dina in the garden. Garden. Yeah. You did the 언제 아샬레를 가세? 정말 싫다. 정말 얘도 제가서 아직 기타를 소지. 기타를 소지래. 나도. Phone.
Today we are going to do a challenge named Guess the Celebrity. Let's begin.
Guess the celebrity, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Celebrity.
So.
Annie Mary.
No, she looks like Megan Fox.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my god. Okay, on to the next one.
Okay, next one. Ariana Grande.
Oh my god, not that fast, okay? You're so fast.
Yes,
Give
you
me
have
a
to
chance
be
to-
fast. You
Give me
have
a
to be fast.
Okay. Now next, I will tell, okay? I will guess it.
No.
Next one, please. Demi Lovato.
First you have to do like this.
No, I'm holding camera, right?
I'll go
No, you don't have to. Demi Lovato, yes!
Demi
I guessed it.
Lovato.
Okay.
Dua Lipa.
Oh no, yeah, she looks like Dua Lipa. She is Dua Lipa. What?
Dua Lipa.
It is Dua Lipa. Miley Cyrus.
Okay, yes. I don't even know her.
See?
Miley Cyrus.
See?
Okay, I guess.
See? Nick Jonas.
I was going to say that. I was going to say Nick Jonas.
I'm super happy. See? I get it right. That is Sure.
What the heck? Who is she?
Sure.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Every living. Oh my goodness.
What?
Every listening to legend.
Joe Jonas.
Joe Jonas, yeah. Yes.
No, she's not. No,
Mother.
it's not Joe Jonas.
Yeah.
What?
J Balvin, how man? I don't
What?
even know who that guy is.
Okay.
That is Suresh.
I don't even know.
Oh, Baby Rexha.
Baby.
Baby Rexha. Yeah! Got it! I got it! You loser! You pathetic loser! Beyonce!
What?
She is Beyonce.
Beyonce.
I told you! Right? So sad.
Billie Eilish.
Oh my god! I didn't get a
hair,
chance
the
to see her at
eyes.
all. You're so fast. Come on. That's cheating.
What? The eyes, the hair. Okay.
Britney Spears, baby. You don't know, right?
No, I don't know her.
Because you only listen. Yeah. She's your grandma.
Victor.
Yeah, she's grandma's age.
What?
Britney Spears.
Camila Cabello.
What?
Camila Cabello.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
look. Camila Cabello.
Oh my god, you got it right. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Are you a fan of her?
Okay.
Dik mommy khare Nicki Minaj mare shambad min khare Nicki Minaj told Cardi B, yeah, Cardi B. Cardi B, baby. Cardi B.
No, you didn't get the point.
Okay. Post Malone. No. He is Dik khare. Oh shit. Charlie
You
Puth.
can't teach
Yes.
it. No.
Charlie Puth. Charlie Puth ning thamba ji. Mo tamba tana sudo do. Mo sudo do.
So much to me.
Lady Gaga is oh my goodness, Lady Gaga Risha. The most of the game. Girl, the baby.
Single.
So the houses.
Halsa.
House.
Hairstyles.
Hairstyles, yeah. Oh my goodness. You got it right, baby.
Why
I'm not
is
tahu
it
dah.
kinda?
Touching that.
Justin Bieber.
Oh my goodness. Kyo lendi kyo ko babu. Justin Bieber.
Bieber, you fool.
Bieber.
No, Bieber.
Okay. Justin Barber.
Oh.
Suzuki.
Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj?
Nicki.
Hey, Nicki Minaj ready? Ready? My Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez.
Oh my god. The Lady Gaga, the Jennifer Lopez how famous. John Lennon.
Amma, why would you sing?
John Legend. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Lime. Yeah. Justin Timberlake, baby.
What?
Baby, 그 친구들
Katy Perry.
Cadbury. ngắn lại tao.
No. Me.
미련은 이렇다.
I said it first. Joe Jonas.
No. Kevin Jonas. No. Sure. Maluma do thank the most.
Maluma.
Who is that guy? Nimraj.
Nicki Minaj.
Oh, think I thought slow. I got it first, man. Nicki Minaj. Oh my goodness. Jolene. Oh, so the game. This is Nicki Minaj the Marshall. Oh, that is the how much ke?
What?
Smith.
Sam Smith?
Yeah, I'm out of the point of view. Tell the guys. Chikpa laza. Tell the guys. What your eyes?
A tiny face. Like a tiny face like this.
Your eyes.
Selena Gomez.
Britney Spears.
Like.
Shakira. Kandida.
No, but.
Shakira. What did you do? Oh.
Shawn Mendes.
Yeah, he looks like Shawn.
Shawn Mendes.
Taylor Swift. Nganyalay. Kyun ka little tweetless.
That's so cheating.
Yeah, I won. Ito ay mara. This should.
Blacksmith. Blue Smith.
Christina Aguilera. How man? Sorry. Shijin you man. Maybe Chinese. Zayn Malik. Zayn Malik.
Oh my god, I'm so cool.
신기해. Zayn Malik how man?
No.
Zayn.
Zen is Zen, not Zen.
And the winner goes to.
Wait.
Ta-da! Answer raw. Answer winner raw.
Wait.
बहुत खाया यार आणि ब्लॉग बता रहा कुछ नहीं आणि तुम्ही वीडियो तेमच 붙여 ना लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब छि आणि तपाईं यहाँ
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?